Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We have some showers in the forecast, and they'll return tonight. They're going to continue as we head into the day tomorrow. But after that, it looks like we are going to get into some drier weather. We have some warmer days ahead as well. That'll be the thing most people, I think, will be looking forward to. In fact, it might actually start to feel like summer by the end of the 7-day forecast here. You can see the spotty showers up along the 400 corridor back in toward Barrie. It is fairly spotty, hit and miss. Some stronger storms are off toward the west. Those are going to stay out of the way, but we are going to get into a more widespread showery pattern. That's all the stuff that's back in towards Sudbury here. It's just on the backside of the system that is sitting out over portions of upstate New York. You can see the counterclockwise rotation around that area of low pressure. So that last little trough is what is going to be bringing us the showers. And then if you look off toward the west, there's a ton of clearing from central Michigan all the way out in toward the Dakotas. And that's what we're getting into as we get in toward the end of the week. And take a look at some of that heat that is building out there. The shift in the pattern will allow some of that to start to come into the area once we get into the weekend. And then by Monday, we're into full stride with it. But in the meantime, temperatures are staying cool. We're at 16 now in Toronto. It's going to be a very similar day as we head into the day. All right, let's take a look at how things are going to be moving into the atmosphere for us. You can see with that cool pool of air, it's all centered around that area of low pressure, and that low still stays within our proximity, which keeps us into the showers during the day tomorrow. It is going to start to eventually pull out by the evening hours, and that gets us into a drier pattern with high pressure starting to sneak in, but we're still on the cool side of this ridge of high pressure during the day on Wednesday and through a good chunk of the day on Thursday. We need to move that high pressure ridge off to our east, and that will allow the temperatures to warm up, and we're slowly going to do that. There's still a bit of a blocking pattern in the atmosphere that's still plugging things up a little bit, and that's why these systems have been impacting us for several days. We saw the cloud cover out of it today. We'll see the showers returning overnight tonight and during the day tomorrow. It'll last until the afternoon and into the evening, and then throughout the overnight we clear things out and we get into some sunshine during the day on Wednesday. Looks to be a pretty nice Wednesday, pretty nice Thursday coming our way, although the temperature's a little sluggish to warm up. As far as rainfall totals are concerned here for us, it'll be a couple of millimeters that we'll see. It'll be higher amounts into areas off toward the east, into that 10 to 20 millimeter range. We're looking at temperatures near 16 degrees in a cloudy sky this evening. Spotty rain showers with a peak of sunshine or two possible into the morning. 17 degrees will be our high temperature tomorrow coming at midday, and then we'll actually cool off to about 16 degrees as we go into the evening. Winds are going to be a little breezy out of the northeast at 25 to 35 kilometers per hour. So the next couple of days, they are going to be below that average mark. We'll warm up to about 23 degrees for the average as we get toward the end of the week. And we're looking at dry conditions after the day tomorrow, but just be cool. Just don't look right at it, but there is a 30 there on the 7-day forecast. You don't want to scare it away, but it looks like we'll break the pattern and things will be warming up into next week. That's a check on your forecast.